Okay, so I knew this was coming, just not now. But when I opened the box, the outer box, um, because the outer box wasn't labeled with where it came from, and I see why now, because you don't want to leave something like this on your doorstep, with people knowing what it is. But um, I didn't expect this to be here till the 20th. It came a couple days early, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna do an unboxing, and this is like a live reaction. I know it's in here. Yeah, so I'm excited. Let's take a look at it. So, actually, yeah, I'm not gonna show you the address label and all that, but um it just looks like a nondescript, like the way it was folded, it just looks like a box. I was expecting some other things. I was wondering why it came in separate boxes, but turns out this was in the second box. And it's my Louis Vuitton gift. I don't want to open. Oh, so yeah. I guess I'll untie it. I wonder what. This is so nice. Like a pleasant spot during this whole virus thing and the quarantine and all that stuff. Just a little bright spot. Actually, whoa. Oh no. Wait. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So here we have the dust bag. I didn't think it would come packaged like this. Yeah, so this is the dust bag, as you can see. I mean, it's making this unboxing easier. And here we have... Oh, okay. So this is a Speedy bag, and it's a 30, the size 30. But yeah, so here it is. I guess we could inflate it because it's not supposed to. Yeah, okay, 1 second. Okay, so here we go. So I just inflated it. This is a good size for me. Cute little Speedy bag. I should have, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is that. First impression, the leather, actually it feels good. I was gonna say it's a little bit thinner, or it's not leather, it's canvas, sorry, the coated canvas. Yeah, this is about right. Okay, I was gonna say it feels like, never mind. So yeah, leather trim handles, standard monogram, and the lock. So I opened these things, and yeah, this is just like, actually, I'm glad, yeah, I paused to open and take a look at this stuff because I don't want to like show any revealing info or anything like that, but this is just like gift receipt, thank you card, and then there's another little card that I must have put somewhere. It was blank though. It's like a little envelope with nothing written on it. And then, yeah, this little thing came in there, and it's just like the barcode. And I thought I was doing this in front of the camera. Oops. Yeah, it just tells you the materials, and then there's a little barcode sticker in here telling you, yeah, it's a Speedy 30. So that's it, guys. I was super excited that this came, and I'm thoroughly going to enjoy this. But for now, I'm going to put it in the dust bag and just, maybe I'll keep it in the box until I actually, like, I don't have a reason to use it because I am in the house and only like going to the grocery store, but I can't wait. I'm so excited to, start carrying it. So yeah, if you know me, you know that I'm not terribly into monograms. I'm only, actually my favorite, well, maybe I'll talk more about my favorite monogram, yeah, when I get a new unboxing in that print. But you know, I've warmed up to Louis Vuitton's Monogram only in like a couple recent years, past recent couple years. How it's morning. I cannot my brain hasn't fully awakened. I'm not a morning person. But you know, just like recently, and the prices are always increasing and whatnot. So I was like, you know what? I don't have a Speedy bag. I'm gonna get one. I want the Alma. Maybe that'll be my next Louis bag if I yeah. So anyway, that's that. This is the unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and be well. Talk to you soon. Bye now.